Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and this is my recap of the top five videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, look at the euro dollar go. Man, this is why I really try to emphasize so much, especially lately, why trading with the trend is so important because I think we're in a wave 3 on the very, very high time frames. This morning, if you watched my morning video, I said it does kind of look like it possibly could go down before it goes up. But I also said that I will not be sorting it, but instead I will be looking for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. I do enter long on every single pullback I see. I have not entered a short trade on the euro dollar in weeks now, and I definitely do not plan on entering any shorts for quite some time. Now we are at a Fibonacci level. Is it going to pull back here? Yeah, probably. How big of a pullback? I don't know. It could just be a little pullback like that. It could be a much more significant pullback. I don't really care how big of a pullback it makes. All I know is whatever it does, I will be ready to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. The only thing I have to say is that the trend is your friend, and you're going to be way more profitable and way more consistently profitable if you are trading with the trend on your higher roadmap time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.